Welcome back to Rugved About Sports, and I am here with a new topic this week. I am going to discuss about the effects of COVID-19 on sports and its resumption. Year 2020, the most significant disruption to the sporting calendar since World War II. Many sports events have been cancelled or postponed. The 2020 Olympics in Tokyo has been rescheduled to 2021. Only countries like Turkmenistan, Belarus and Tajikistan have continued their professional sporting events as planned. So for the rest of the world, no live scores to check, no adrenaline surge in anticipation of much awaited games, no topics to discuss with friends like sporting experts. It's been a world without any sports, but since most governments in the world are talking about getting life back on the track, we have to talk about how players can begin training gradually as the wait for resumption of sports continues. The vaccination or any cure of the virus has some time from now, but many federations are discussing about resumption of the rest of the season. The government of Germany has already given the green signal to the football league Bundesliga, which has started from couple of weeks. Spanish La Liga is all set to resume from June 8. Now let's see the decisions regarding Indian sports. Sports Authority of India has divided all the sports in 4 categories, namely A, B, C and D. So let's see what are these categories. Category A or non-contact sports. Archery, shooting, fencing, cycling and athletics. These are the games with least impact, while games like gymnastics needs to follow some precaution as the same apparatus are being touched by gymnasts and they need to be sanitized before and after use. Whether the grips of gymnasts will be compromised due to the sanitization of apparatus is yet to be known. Category B or medium contact sports. Team games like football, cricket, basketball and hockey are in category B. Training activities are to be allowed only in small groups or clusters. Equipment such as gloves, pad, guards should not be shared. In cricket, there are issues like use of saliva by bowlers to shine the ball. ICC has banned using saliva on ball, but fast bowlers and ex-cricketers are already criticizing this decision. The decision on this year's IPL or T20 World Cup is still blurred. Basketball, which is a highly physical sport, is unlikely to begin soon as the most important basketball league, the NBA, is played in USA, which is the worst hit country due to this pandemic. Category C or full contact sports. Boxing, judo, wrestling, wushu are full contact sports and they are the worst hit due to this pandemic. The physical touch is unavoidable. Selective training activities may be performed individually, but equipment such as helmets, wristbands, training uniforms or dummies must not be shared. Since the training is restricted individually, these sports will be the last one to resume competitively. Category D water sports. Swimming, canoeing, rowing or synchronized swimming comes under this part. Training activities may be performed in pairs or individually, but swimming is not permitted. So swimmers have to wait for a longer period of time to resume their training. So this is all about the resumption of training. But it is still early for mega events and world level competitions to begin. Many superstars are concerned and unsure about the near future. In English Premier League, Watford star Troy Deeney told his club that he won't return to training due to concerns of his son's health. While star French footballer N'Golo Kante is prepared to sit out of the remaining Premier League season after expressing concerns over returning to training. Star Spaniard Rafa Nadal said that he is pessimist about him returning to tennis. Since the players needs to constantly travel, stay in different hotels, even if the matches are played behind closed doors, you need lots of people involved in organizing such tournaments. I think his point is legitimate. So all we can do now is wait and watch regarding the resumption of our favorite sport. Let's hope this dark cloud raised due to the pandemic go away soon and we sports lovers can once again experience the thrilling encounters and enjoy the game.